Okay, welcome to Python installation. Type this Python 3.7.6 in Google and open the first link that you see. And here when we scroll down, we will be downloading this file zip installer 86-bit or 64-bit executable installer. We will be downloading it. I have already downloaded this file. Let me show you it in my downloads. So you guys can download this file, and I am going to go to that folder where this file exists, and now I am going to install this Python 3.7.6. This is the most stable version of Python. The first thing we have to do is click on the add path 3.7. This is important. After that, custom installation. Next, here we will be clicking on these three ticks. After that, I will be changing the path of the Python, so that will be a shorter path. Make sure that you don't remove any extra slashes here. So it will be installing Python in C, Python 37. I am going to run the install button. Now it is installing. So you are all set. Once this finishes the process, we will be clicking on the disable path limit. You will see in a few seconds. Video speed has been increased. It might take some time to install Python as per your system requirement. So let it install. It is almost about to complete. Okay, click on this disable path length. It will ask for permission. Click yes and close it. So we have installed the Python. Let's confirm it. Go to CMD command prompt and type here Python. So if we get the version 3.7.6, then it is installed successfully. Now we go to Visual Studio Code. I am supposing that you have already installed it. Otherwise, you can go to Google and just install it. Now in the Visual Studio Code, you have to go to extensions here on the left side, type Python here, and this first link you must have installed it. I have already installed it, so I don't need to install it, and just run this code. The first line, print hello world. Go to the terminal, create a new terminal. You can go to run and run the file. So you can open the new terminal like this. Now I am going to run the code. Going to run, and second option, it is saying that I have not selected the Python interpreter. I clicked on the blue button and then selected the Python interpreter. Now I'm going to run this code again. Second option selected, and you will be saying, yeah, hello world has been printed. Hello has been printed.